What if I told you that the most toxic person in your life might not be who you think it is? Is it the manipulative friend, the jealous colleague, the narcissistic parent, or is it your own reaction to them? Now imagine this. You're in the middle of a storm. Insults are flying, blame is being thrown like daggers, and yet you remain unshaken, calm, still, like a rock in the ocean. How? That's what the Stoics mastered, and today you will too. This is not just another self-help guide. This is ancient wisdom forged in the fires of adversity, delivered by emperors, slaves, and philosophers, and now, by you. Let's start with a hard truth. You cannot change toxic people, but you can change your response to them, and that's where your power lies. Marcus Aurelius, Emperor of Rome, wrote in his journal, "When you wake up in the morning, tell yourself, 'Today, I will meet people who are meddling, ungrateful, arrogant, dishonest, jealous, and surly.'" He didn't write that to complain. He wrote it to prepare. Stoicism teaches us not to expect people to behave perfectly. Instead, it trains us to master our reactions. Toxic people aren't your enemy. Your expectations are. They are like storms. They come, they go. But the wise man builds a shelter within. Let's categorize toxic behavior into 4 types using Stoic philosophy. 1. The disrespectful, those who undermine your dignity. 2. The manipulative, those who distort reality to serve themselves. 3. The envious, those who cannot celebrate your joy. 4. The angry, those who weaponize emotion to control. Seneca, another great Stoic, warned us, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." Each of these toxic behaviors affects us only if we grant them power over our inner world. So the Stoic doesn't fight fire with fire. He doesn't retaliate. He remains grounded. Why? Because getting angry at a toxic person is like drinking poison and hoping they suffer. Stoicism isn't passive. It's not about being a doormat. It's about choosing when to walk away, not out of anger, but out of wisdom. Seneca wrote, "Associate with those who will make a better man of you." Setting boundaries isn't cruel. It's compassionate, for you and for them. You don't have to keep toxic people in your life just because they're family or old friends or co-workers. The Stoic does not cling. He does not crave approval. He chooses peace over poison. Letting go is not weakness. It is the highest form of strength. Here's the deeper truth. No toxic person has ever hurt you more than your own untrained mind. Their words don't hurt. Your attachment to them does. Their lies don't destroy you. Your belief in them does. So the Stoic trains himself, not the world. He journals. He reflects. He asks, why did that bother me? What does that say about me? Every toxic encounter is a mirror. Use it. Don't avoid it. Let me paint you a picture. You walk into a room where the same toxic people are gossiping, provoking, complaining. But this time, you don't flinch. You see them. You hear them. But your peace is not negotiable. You've built your inner citadel. You've mastered your response. You don't need to win the argument. You've already won your soul. This is the Stoic ideal, to be fireproof in a world of sparks. Toxic people will always exist. But so can your peace. You don't need their validation. You don't need their apology. You need only your own discipline, your own strength, your own philosophy. So starting today, choose your reaction. Build your citadel. And remember, you are not what they say you are. You are what you choose to become. Still Stoic. Subscribe, reflect, rise.